So that was step number 2. Do something new. Step number 3 is you got to spend more time on your sales copy. I made this mistake. I told you. I wrote my sales letter in like 30 minutes or maybe an hour, which I can do because I have a lot of experience writing sales letters. But that doesn't mean you write a great letter. That just means you write something that's pretty decent. Well, I tell you, TJ Rowe leader in the book, How to Make Millions Sitting on Your Assets, he says that he spends, he likes to break a sales letter down into like 5 parts or so and spend 1 day on each part. You know, day 1's the big promise. Day 2 is all the benefits and getting people to picture the benefits. Day 3 is the unique selling proposition. You know, I don't remember. I think day 4 is probably the offer, and day 5 is the call to action guarantee and bonuses, maybe something like that, right? Anyway, he spends 1 day each. And then he spends another week editing it. So he spends 1 week writing it, but he'll spend just a whole freaking day on the big promise. I mean, I wrote the big promise and everything else in 30 minutes or an hour, right? Yeah. So that's it. Is like, you just got to take more time on your pitch, your offer, your stack, your sales copy. Yeah, I know that's not like such rocket science, but probably you don't.